Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Nah, what's it concern? I don't want to be loyal to nonsense anymore. Now, concern where all this relationship can the go away. And I do beg me, you look more going and quasi la dia. Mariani a ju nous voulait la dia ne ma doit analyser. Ma ko ari to tamana ya ranu wa ya ra o wa gbogbo we na ga we kiye. Ya ga voulait la dia, ya ga voulait la dia, ma ga roi, je second one na rohi ma gbera ne ma hi rohu wa de ge na. Wa rohi ma the last year o wa ma hi wa ro na ze ma hi roi. Yes, because again, one hour of him, and I are one our daily ne nita nefua, why moon, not pan nefa on his son, why ye, not pan nefa on any who making wagga jen wagga cook every papo. No, why I see a one must to see everything, one man see what you wire here. Could work a gang copy, could work a gang up in Wagba gang up with social media. It take one name, vroom. They hook up in nigga, and we want a little babagi. Oh, while I were baba who now I could me your babagi or while you get go to me bune on the platform. Oh, are you strong, moe? Oh, are you strong, woman, son? Where this many here, but one of woman, son, eh? Why does she like to drink my sheets? Who know how I've been a key any man can kill Diana? Why she like to chop my sheets? Why? You might understand. Our daily if you only get a bum don't understand the way is una see one thing. The reason why this their friend own Conde Grant so whether they beat that girl so now they tell now e man na tell matter no way because of we attack because if we make you on run fear not let that one open man because if you open man tell ya we gbo we ya gbo buka be lobu e lobu because o wa ran every time here bo me awa me ni bun wa ro we o vun ra fun e gile yin asalo ija you see. Fear not let that one talk. It's off the cocoon. You get when you go do that one reach just now. You go vest, you go open mouth for your head. Now so it be oh. The time when you they do lolo, when you they do me, now so it be for this social media. We not pre open mouth. The time when they come open mouth now, you now need 3,000 soldiers to rescue you. You now need 4,000 soldiers to rescue you. You now need a battalion. Even your enemies are becoming your best friend, so that they go rescue you for my hand. They go rescue you for the hand of the people that you are busy shaking on their trouble. Searching on their door and looking for their trouble. That's how it be. Those days, if I just enter a copy the evening, she will just enter follow me. He go say, hey, go, okay, man, you got walk away. When you want me, okay, man, okay, me, ya because he may fene, a better man, and you need water done in here, a tea and gualokia, I want to know we, me, I got you, ya little ruhu, ya, here again, you'll see a get of our guale, a vessel or two and look beer. Maybe you're that from a jail cup, no gualo. You see the way back to saying that they come down to people. I normally tell people the popularity where you define where you go they shock people. The time where you go come this way you they where shall we go well or well where shall popularity ni go well my sister. If you not let you use the time where the popularity they reach they come say we you use now I mean we go well if to say na me I can take a break for 1 week as you see me so I might just decide to take 1 week break. Is area break you way area break you a rien popular area breaky wa we here awa gbo we teto here area we area breaky any of wa no area breaky ya si wa ko wa ladian especially when wa papa be na ga we kie na u must to ladian no do finish me no so area breaky wa jolly day okon na Nigeria ye 30,000 day data ya we saga u get me na area we so ave fon me poshi igbina na riba mi mo da ka gbine ya Iria yawe. Ke no si kewe o. Ke no ma si kewe o because our daily ewe hin. Our daily mess. Iria unegi ne that already nene kwaye la video. Wo ran o gbagba no ya ma me here. Habi? Abi said the so-called friend was even married before. Not be a way boy day. Come make I tell you one thing una no know. Una know say if you dey follow friend, they walk away and no say brother never. You people are women who judge from a woman point of view. If you know you are a woman, judge from a woman point of view. You know what happen for Isaiah? Because the friend refused to be loyal to Rame, join and do saga. Na person wey dem do all these things so. And she is the masterminder of all these things. Masterminder of having in wawari na yafe. Oh, what no wa wo we ne kie. You do kini no waro bona bi na kwana. Oh, what no wa. You waru na dey inside. As we dey talk so. Now you tell the tell now. That relationship was going fine and good until the girl say, my friend, I beg, I know they follow you do saga way no work. Eh? I don't feel follow you do saga way no beyond. I don't feel follow you do saga. You don't feel they come in me, I can't join you, they beat people way not do me anything for live video. Eh, ya me or doba. They promise you go ya na sendi. Ebi ya waba. Ima awa pepe o ya na rule mu go be banki. Yana rule mu go be banki. Ima wa pepo yana the egbe Nigeria. How you go with marriage your team and bo. Ya wa we your boss so that you cannot die. You cannot vie wo you cannot die with just you might support me or Johnny, you know, this is what will happen to you if you go for your friend brother. If you go for your friend brother, this is exactly what will happen to you, nothing else. Unless you are to remain loyal all your life. Make sure you are loyal. If you are not loyal, yes, they're going to tell you every time, say, now my brother, they marry you. You not con lawyer. You not con do this one. Una not know a character before. Una date for how many years? Promise for how many years? Una put a brother for them. Make they suck him money. The money where they suffer, they work. Make they suck him. Now no say the girl don't get character. Now no say the girl never ready. Now no say now Ibo has it. Why you not join her prepare her life for Ibo has? Why you not join and prepare? Why you not? This is what we call friend supporting friend. Unfortunately, these days, friends don't support you anymore. They wait for your weakest point and they hit you hard at your weakest time. Now that time they tell they hit you. When you know, say that girl, as you know, say she never ready to come enter husband's house. How many years won't are they together? Not be inside that your house. That your witchcraft house and your place where you do when you do marriage for there where you come when constitute say gakoko belolo no mana kweyo we osie no wana no na mi go be back wana aboro iwo go make get pepper ni get hama go ten any friend dey e body na duza okwo gwele hin ebi ni wo bi wa we o be sunu da we be marriage we wa zage relationship wo bi wa we ndo ma loyal no o sa boy be Jezebel at do zage relationship we you bo o do zage won me we o do zage me ya no mo tinya e me ya no suffer the no do zage wa you are a bad woman o man tan na gbonare ya be ye ku boss wa mana we marriage na since ama wo gwe to ga gogwe o da fonten ya lele a sister or a boyfriend me we a relationship ya rele wo me o se no na se ekpo na bo we adi. Come and tell the truth to social media. Now the truth is standing in your door because the time he was looking for truth in other people's adultery case. Umaiti a truth to read that when people are not telling you that adultery case is over. Oh, when I have where's the adultery case or home abi? Abi when I have adultery case or rutona. Oh, when I went no robot done where a ban where I got robot. Then when I went on 20 phone. Give me your breast. Let me see your breast. Give me your pekus. A frustrated brother. Nonsense. Planning with your brothers to defraud Europe women for no reason. Planning with your brothers to be giving fake promises to Europe women because of desperation. Planning with your brothers to be doing Europe women anyhow. Una no say una brother not get love. Una no say una not go even green me una brother marry the Europe woman, but una will go carry and come. I have a brother in Nigeria. I know if you tell and say, don't let look unless it's not true, money. But this is the thing one they do for grammar. I'm here to analyze it. Every time I say to what they Igbila wa ma wa gbila ikitala we party wa ya igbina mi live video ko me atorment wegbe. Ebe na bata. Atorment wegbe. Yes, alo bwani rame. You need the account of your enemy. No we are remain believe ko were. A camp enemy on who we need. Ihwewe bo na me ihwewe bo na hia set no wa low. If you people are down, you are looking. Why might you mutun wa lewe bo why mu fear e wo hwewe bo igba. Bad and evil. Una they look for una friend where they near una. Now go give out. Many people do it. Una go give out una friend contact say. I go say me na go because me no she go we boje me black man I go e go promise say love so that money make na send the hogie e bodena duza wicked people e bodena duza so that me una brother go dey chop Europe women money o we boje o tun anti ven boy marry ge boni e gege we no see logudugudu la dia marry ge boni we no see logudugudu la dia bono gbo e gege we no mo anti buy no do fun o ga ge marry ge boni feti kuro wa e gege when not the phone good yo. When of your body on your con on a cocunde. If the bona is your man and away, if it's Massey and Ega Lam or the demete. When not the phone, I matter what with social media. A market matter. This is where the truth starts from. Our daily mess. A man I am a son. A honey man and a quite a degree. A bell one and any and was Yabi, a ramirina. All these are all mess. Our daily mess. You see what goes around come around. Because your sister, your friend come talk say she not fit join the fight Lolo again. Because she not concern Lolo. Leave Lolo alone. You are looking for attention. That is exactly the same reason why you begin to fight that girl. You they even carry matter on social media. You and your friend. Me, I get many of my friends with me are in the quarrel for Isaias. Yes, many of them they use their fake accounts, real accounts, though they use them to make me for live video. And they see I never carry them on live video one day. I not talk about them. Because in here attention young gualo. But we serious you were cola dianenia. Well when you go massive. We ko serious we la dianenia kere do agbele live video. They not say na we we pe my mwek bebo. No na Nigeria. What say not good Nigeria. Where we are na Joe. I want to work out to Nigeria. Why did you go Nigeria? What did make you go? Ekiama we be yawa. You ask woman wait don't stay how many years for Europe say because say you want marry your brother say say now what do you want the one way never reach to build for flat because money never there to we money ya pay for flat money abi we na you gonna borrow a bank ya boy wa borrow a bank of for we a payment even why set you why you know you comment condemn and that thing they put am for on hand and not go fit see am. Somebody say they plenty you I even know some fake account. Yes, now don't block many. You say I know they know them. We they know them. I they know I say now my friend before now they talk this one so. But I don't go draw and come live video come beat am. Betty we boss say when I'm done when you dey ba we gbe lolo. We buy me down mo adie Facebook we na yaya ye back to send that some sort la wo why. Your best friend know that she didn't do you anything. O en go ma dan agbon na re abi ye him. O say ona kama we o ma dan ona we him. What you did is not a good thing. You they say Merita leave you alone. Say you not concern and not be fight. The one when you the fight they go so now your own. That's why you both already you day. Or who went no. Now you get her. So if you believe that Rita is fighting another, you are running away from me now. That is an excuse because you know that I'm not ready for you here to pursue you. Go reach inside where you hide. Now I make you they run, they hide. They run, they find where you want hide. Say it's this and that. On a ya son me. When we je go on 5 minutes now. I want every 2 minutes. I ban we gun for your car. 2 minutes I ban we gun. Wa no ana go we mo da ma be ni recharge. We are more than me and live video best be we. Me mana gbo we fear depression we ye rita. O ha dey go down because o me ni ati e if do ya pita yan wo me bonava egui. O me bonava egui. Oh man when we just I sango no do na ve egui oloho. Isango no yo do ave egui. Oh. Popularity no wa yo bobo we ya gwalo go me gru no agwale ge na ma da we couple wona ka solo me gwan. Igwan o be so me na ya life to be do so me aho we dey. Izuwi. Igwan. This thing una they do so. E na good o. Una go dey take money for people. This woman we do her wo. She's a spoiler. If you people know what her business on social media is, the reason why Kate not grow for social media now because she's a spoiler now she be. Yes. She's a big spoiler. Una not know. Most of una, he pay me say she don't go delete all those videos. I forgot they play all of them. Now I rule delete ya makopa. Cause me mwe gbo weni to do ya bano we gan. Again, na jena kema afie next year. I bano we gan we bia go ya be. We are more than we me mwa ga go ga ho ekia. Wa ho ma be ga ho. Egbe ya ga nyon. Wa ho ma be ga ho. Egbe ya ga nyon. Because the time we na we gbina mana bune mu we bu were. Ya ze egbe ni gbina ka bune mi ru we ke bu were. Look what you are doing to your friend. Giving where was you way near? As pepper me marriage. A marriage pepper me. So a marriage pepper me with Nigeria Jao. Pepper the marriage. Every time marry your boy, you marry. Pepper the marriage. Now you go Nigeria go to. We are well beginning of only with marriage. No, we are be marriage. Or man we be. I want him a guy in Nigeria. If you know Nigeria get today, you tell and say I want marry you today. He go say while I not day because not being want spend money. A sister no we boy when hey worry can you go to the aje ya latia. If you no say una ya mi on door. Or when you support me be money be me live video. Or when my brother guy lele ashawo no when me go ye ko we boy agba shawo. O sorry no we tave gine gbe efeti nania. Or twen pa wen. Ave no ve ya la we gbe na kiri o ve ya la we gbe fo. If you no ta mo twen no jo twen ya ha we o ho ni ye le date sisa no we I think how twen we ma date o ho sisi. No we na ye get no be we bo date. Who one we bo wa we bu wa now. Look at you Europe to Europe. Now they do now say this one so. Europe to Europe women. You are living in Europe. Another woman in Europe like you want her to fall. You want her to fall down. You want her to cry tears because she not support you. Fight the fight with the fight. It been a normal gear where the social media no ya you vasabitem. Or say we man le we gbina nia. Uzare relationship is your bo. We are your ho no man ke no ke de do. Wari your bo. We are mommy go to lemu le flat. Why ya wo vasabi in Nigeria? Why ya wo vasabi marriage? We beg a fana mutin. If I not twejo, if I not motin of when I'm hungry, look at all of them everywhere. Unless people will not get spiritual, they not they live video. They don't understand what they happen for live video. But we, many men are wajena. Not here, here, ko abege ya, they see everything. We no ran no, what we lay. Why you know where you open no na gwane, can never touch you where my beg and a cosivia do ya, but now where my tag, they where wanna go, or go away. Eh? Oh God, you see how bad and wicked you are. Europe woman will be like you. All these years, you know it. You just surprise her. Okay, tell me, why did you surprise your friend? Did you tell her to say this marriage will not work again? Why did you surprise her? If you didn't plan it because they're not going to join you, find Lolo. Oh, was that a relationship with your why made any fit her and unwe? Eh, yakin, we have been a hill. Eh, oh, way I will big bow. Obiara ege when ya mai go we no we agburu no we aw logo and we believe when me am manare ma ya so agbo we me are ye ma yes anybody because they might have any way man sense then me na we brain man ire ni ya ni na tame ya ni step aside then ante la we ni abi oh so na so life na so it be. Europe women are not just to use and done. It pains a lot because you are also in Europe. You have suffered many years in this Europe. Or that from where you get sisters. I wish the time when you want marry that time of that from where have a big again in the bar. Ugbene, ugbe abi magbe, ugbe kwere when it be agwe abi. Eh? Now you go carry. Nobody spoil your own, no. But you spoil your friend don't because he say not go join you fight for live video. What go away video? Why did you spoil it? Users. Now make that your friend where they spend the talk say all of you are users. She know what she's saying. When she was talking, I read into her mind. You say, all of you are users. That's what you are. Big user. Runda obi ere kama wewe. Ile le we gbini gbina no ma kame. Egi gbina ma no le gbina na. Koso ma sike wo ma kan wo si o e. Mo si o e. Si ma boy anu gi magbina. Or trying to separate us. Life, popularity ne goya we me ropa na hon. Popularity we not go let you use. Not be saying the popularity even reach your hand, they go let you use egwelo. That is the most difficult part of it all. Ave mumu no gwale a popularity but wa mi o nego walo. Agwalo ka ke agwalo e say aluga negbero. Aluga negbero. There is a difference between you are looking for it and you can use it well when it comes to you. But look at you now. You cannot even use it. O ma gwelo a potopoto you boy ma be ogilo e ju wobo. But you walk wallow, why are you a bear so lay avec a yaji? Wabero, igbina lare igbine ritalare igbine no palare nene mi o our daily mess e hun yan nene kwa e dedegbe ma roe ma gba iro babagi ma do ma me redian e hun wariri nebe ka ma iri adie ma waga ne wudo ma iri adie ma waga ne we si ho ma iri adie ma wa ne woluku ma do time ma gaye ni agwo elua. Short people that are the most devilish people in this life. A character nima zeni no waruwe yani egi yamba. This is exactly where the truth is. Even if that one not talk, but we know based on experience what we get for this Europe life, we know everything. And then they don't feel drive us say not talk and not talk. We go they dwell and not no roy talk about wah. Why beg we in the tamu wana and not no. I obiara when ye lad and ye tini go ni ye zeba ni go ni ye yo. Ini go ni ya yo is same for my brother. My brother, if you get boyfriend for Nigeria, they're not they let you rest. That's also problem that they tell you. E wale yata. Inya tell me over be wala. I get problem. My marry only sang baga. Ije marry only sang bodo. Or tell me no be agbe ma hoy. Then name be ma na. And that's money take bath way. Una way they find Africa boyfriend they go. I boyfriend in red boko. Etiyan. E boyfriend ni re Russia. Bianire e Dubai, bianire different place wa rewebo, wo biya webo we nuje magwelele. Where say call brother? A setup. If they enter your Facebook, sister, when they enter your Facebook and see your location, Germany, you go enter your inbox, you come profess love for you. I love you too much. You don't go even know say na your best friend. Now you best friend, you don't know they do that. Best friend they do one. Huh? Best friend they do one. They go give you. They go take if you are a single girl and you like ogbele fun wewe. Yeah, why ene we ogbele fun we ya gwo maku. Wa bege ki awran. O e kota mo si o wo ri mego. I go zo no kun we o mu kan. O ta mo tun we la wo. Go meet am for inbox this person. Write message for am, you begin to date am. Then fool Europe. And you will become a slave to them. You cannot talk. That is why don't date anybody that is any boy that is your brother's, your sister, your girlfriend brother. Don't do it. Because when that love gets strong, if you offend them, you are in soup. When that love gets strong, when you offend them, you are in problem. When love don't strong, you don't love person. Your sister go constant. And most of those bad sisters and bad mother-in-law, father-in-law, and brother, most of them normally come out when the love don't strong. Now therefore they come out. They not they come out when love never strong. When they say and say you know with backbone. Yeah, you beg give your panel hit that say wuzubu. Relationship in the Van Yana with that day. Yeah, don't we be and we are go with relationship in the boy and Zagakwa. Again, we do so. Is your law or $10 wo, $1 wo, is your dollar la wo do his slave. Yeah, do I lower everywhere. It been a normal pine fire when do I go walk monk, walk monk, Picoba, we sound pa here. Walk me here with women because they care way. Wow, we care. Wow, we care. Okay, can you guide your door for it? Yes. So now when they see una friend, say you get brother. That brother, the time when they follow you there, they say, I'll tell you very what my baby gets in your dog, or man sick or even and again, you are married in Nigeria, you will see that they don't have a relationship. Watch their marriage video and watch their picture. They don't have any relationship together. Because that one stand the Okoloko. Did you see any relationship? Nana Hawe or Tion or Wokontene? Our that Donny Mureke on an shop, our that Mure no do replace it. No make not get Doriatoria. No make not do more a pain if it's you. Because if it's behave too much, if it's Maoni and de buying Bomani. For that reason, Donna wa mo by the Calabalan. They burn you here do cause Waga way. Oh, yes, I was supposed to come on a woman. Oh, yes, Sukusuku. Oh, Yana that Diana, that damn Mure. A day. A girlfriend in work, our friends rock paro, no love now, we marriage in this time around. We know how to give injection on social media. Unless say you are new inside the game. You don't know what it happen. Injection you worry no see any video ni motamu wana. Or see no na no viere na ekoye no viere ho na we rejection ye na aka umado gun ye lele e lo logmi na ya relationship yo bo. Or ya zagi relationship yo ni ubo. We ma give na ga la on social media. Ija. O ya hin atu e. O kian wa atu e bi sa o ye be ni so abare poji. O ga gbe from one spot to another. Eri mu we na kian anje. O ye be ni so abare poji. What have you know where the K Yakwa, my ko Doluwe? my settle down me we watale nonsense in my ya do luwe aluwe jo obo because we go alwe popularity ni my na luwe so I mi we aluwe jo obo aluwe jo obo. You see what life is? Why it be say a marriage ni wama we since again wa kiti managwe. What's we mana support kit? E feti nu ha man we nu wa mo wa la yo we bore mo wa nu wa bote me marry. What's mana support eh? You want to use them to fight be no be you because the girl say you no go fight. You no go fight the fight we no be you now. You can't go carry una wa amusu egbe pa no ma eruwe una amuri una do mune una ya relationship wa gele mo bo we gba baby na una constitute a nuisance na underground almost a heartbreaking must to we marriage we almost to we must to vie la because to start with you ma trust marriage we because we man no real life with you no do afin to da finya in ma dey me dance no back because we ma trust a relationship in we ma trust so when you are talking you always talk your problem problem ma be weta we weta e for flat ni we e ma be run dey e for flat you ya be for flat and akwedag mo we ya fe kugbe o ma gbe yo to ma dey toothpaste veki o ma gbe yo to ma dey toothpaste veki ekwelo. This is what life is. You want because a person they friend your brother, you want make the fight will not be you for social media. You want to use that to be fighting. You want to use that to be doing saga. If to say not be that one use sense. Now maybe not that your brother even tell us say not my sister. It define people where no fine. I go say not join our fight. If you don't say now you and one married, not join our fight. Una azagi relationship una zaga yo yerobo of a denu we o ma danu hina o hia mi o hia begbe ya o hia mi o begbe emi no be wo se we o be si nu da we unless do wa manari yo igo wa ga en wari yo igo wari gian igo hwe we botogbe wa mo hwe we bu sa onari yo hwe we bu so mana asa ayun ki o e awon wala for real uwa o ma la o ma la when o hwe we bo no follow you buy anything you go chop him money go use love take brainwash her collect the money put for your pocket. Who want my life? Must to lie. Must to lie. So some people want to use you to build their life. They want use you build their life so that they will use you to enrich their self. You can't pay me go past the guests where go they do prostitution. Give me. Everybody big be agiari any be why you're not around. Sister, we wa big be agiari no no matter no way. Especially on a wire of year women. Egbo ho sister. We. Or one of your way. That's the truth of the matter. You not go marry you. Most of you now they come and hook up like that. Now say una still there with Oyibo for us. How they ask una say, this Oyibo way una dey with for us. Which man want take you serious when you dey with Oyibo for us? What goes around come around. Which man want marry you when you dey with Oyibo for us? Do be no marry we. E ba we mi e. Oni, ama kan no ma kan of you no je o kan we be we na fi yo me. Ne gbota ni wo kan we a. O gi gbese wan analyze o gi gba 20 no. O kan we a at you where you. At you where you are. Me ma beta mu we be gani kama we gani aya mu egbe nu na re we kin agwale kinu alela. Wale. Ya che we la resta nu jado we saga we wo mo gwalo. Because it's an apologbe no isin we malake gbogo meni we must to less go me because what to be when guilty conscience worries you and now waiting me to defeat people be that one. I'll give you time why you nega ni ya renu ya igata ya nana because what to be when ma we go women no sunu you cannot wait me a level we why ya le megbi na because who jo turn Umieti. Look at what you did to your friend. This is what they call a conspiracy. Nene marriage was we man away since. What's no two man away marriage since. What's an amiere ban else we do gunu e ko do lawa we nla wo esinye la public we social media ko so maka yen kan we yen ba ganu na agboko gigu be different place. Esinye la o. Esinye la o. Yema o no kan we kan ye. Esin la we. O na ya we manipulation na ga rule. So you go no we ya Nigeria we do a show my will be live video. E to we mo go na kokoyoto ne. Na kokoyoto ne we do mu my me we no raza na ma elo ama mo gbe Johnny me te wo we ari. Me ma e na kokoyoto na alo be Johnny o we ari la dan do ari my you go no me plan. You go na plan yoto. Or with all is na be a get money. I beg this Facebook I don't even know whether why don't say fe or whether they be ko. Or when I we ma we la dan ma do we competition. No gbe ri owo hun bi e de no gbe na. No you say fair. Ma we do we competition. We go no we kokoyoto no we yari o wa no aya adugi won me no aya pepe osiwe. No aya pepe osiwe no we yen lelu egbinigbinere. Una Latin and you collect husband for your hand. You not let her enjoy relationship where they plant put since. Another than an amount to take the talk, and you not couldn't worry me, ya judge wana. Eh, me ya analyze you wana get judge wa cause ye judge. What it come off for una mat, our daily mess. Not really name not by ye. Mami na ya ha. Not really one name for pion, not by guardian. Always you okay. That's our daily mess. I our daily mess ha. Any if you don't get no he la jam ni some away. Our daily mess. That is what we mean by our daily mess. Say mama anene ungie. O ma we aro igo bonopa. On ya tie ni platform we. I mess you collect. Oh. E bank begi wo we na ne. Amu da. Don't know how we gas wo bonu wo pa mu da lolo. We are gbin me agbu we. Mi ma mi no gbe ba mi we me gbu we ba. Egweba. Even where we may what buweba say. And if it we hear it nowhere until beg a saga bunebuwe. A saga in my show never know where him were hine. Kebueri. Like your home by your and your mabun. Where here? Rita, leave me alone. Rita Zemobon Macan, where I turn him away. In my way, mana. Wait, me. Yeah. Again, where I agree, me go me nowhere. Met you, maybe I'm away me no man. Me ma tia say or tell me not here. Or tell me not here where? Yes or no? My sister not call you. You not tell you say me you leave Rita alone. Oh, when me obo. E bang ya do so. Ama kan we. E ma no ma kan do rule la tin ya do jun ya ya mo agbe ko wa. We aso gbe. Only the truth will set you free. E ma ta pa wa te ma ta magmo we noje izowobo igbagmo yi ohowe woman ate ma ta no do time magmo we noje igbagmo set is oho irani mi e wa hian ebe edo de wa hian egbegbo ganyo igbinigbina wa agmina igbinigbina wa agmina. Somebody say, Mama, is not come forgive her again. I thought I said that forgive. Mama, bad work forgiving. No, man, in a giallo. Imi obo ya go ma do forgiveness in a giallo. Imi obo. Ye dem ye gbo bo we yo at all. Ye me forgiveness, ni me na forgiving.